Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a kurti haul. So all this kurti are purchased from Ajio. So it's just like a three kurti set. So I just really love all these kurtis. These are really lightweight and these are pretty much affordable also. So yeah, let's just get started with today's video. First one we have is from the brand AKS, and this is what it looks, and it's pretty much pure cotton. It costed me only rupees 600. So the kurti is basically a round neck kurti. So this is what it looks. I really love this kurti. This pretty much light in weight. The color is really sober and the print is also really good. And this is what it looks from backside. So this basically sleeveless, and this is what the kurti looks like. And down at the bottom, this is what the kurti. It has like a very beautiful a sober print, and this costed me only 600. And with this you'll get a cotton pant. So this is what the cotton pant look like, and it has like a very beautiful elastic waistband. And down at this bottom you have the same print which you have down at the kurti set. So yeah, so it's really good, lightweight, pure cotton, and also really affordable, only 600. So absolutely give this a try. Next one we have is again from the same brand AKS, and this is what it looks. It's a very pure cotton, and it has like a very floral print all over the kurta set, and this costed me around rupees 900. And I'm gonna show you how this looks. So this is what the kurta, and this has this 3/4 sleeves with a pink piping, and it's super lightweight and it's a cotton material. And this has this a side slit right here. And also this is rupees 900, under rupees 1000, super affordable. You get again the same kurta set, same pant. So yeah, this is what the pant. It has a very good elastic waistband. The pants are pretty wide, so it's a breathable stuff, and I really love this. You can pair this with any heels, and this is gonna look really good. The last stuff we have is from the brand Kushal K. It's a very beautiful kurta set. So it's a pure purple color kurta set, and I really love this kurta set. It's very light in weight, and this has this silver piping in the hands, and it's a very decent sober color. And this is what it looks from up close. This has like a normal side slit, and this costed me around 1050. And I think for 1050 it's a very beautiful color kurta set. So this is what it looks. So with this you won't get any pants. So with this I got this beautiful skirt. Same thing, you have a waistband. So this is what the skirt looks like. It's pretty plain, but down at this bottom you have this print. So yeah, it's a very beautiful kurta. You can wear this for any party or any event. It's a very good kurta with a beautiful long skirt. So these are pretty much the kurta sets. I just only purchased only 3. So these are the stuff which I purchased from Ajio, and Ajio has a very beautiful kurta sets and all. And also you can add some coupon, you'll get some very good discounts. So yeah, this is pretty much the kurta set. I hope you love this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.